Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button with the straighten. By just one tap here we can turn on our leveler, another tap to turn it off, and as you can see the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, so let's stay on this. And here in the camera preview it appears with this line, so this is useful when we want to, for example, keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily tap again to the right corner and to the straighten. So for now the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.